Hey gang, Doug here at Fitness Quest 10, another Friday fun day. We got Chris going to help us out again. He just found that out a minute ago, but he's more than willing to participate. Today what we're going to do is play with a little tire here. If you got a 400-pound tire laying around, you can do this as well at your house, in your backyard. What we're going to do 3 movements. Should probably take him about 1.5 to 2 minutes. We'll see how it goes. So I'll kind of talk about the exercise as he's rolling. Ready? Yep. There you go. Good. So we're starting with 10 jumps, okay? Get the plyos in quick. Okay, get that body really turned on. We went through a nice 10-15 minute warm-up before we started these, by the way. So he's jumping on up, stepping down. Good. And we're going 6 flips after that. Good. See, he's staying nice and low, keeping that back flat. Driving into it. Good. So it's not just a lift. He's driving in as he's lifting. Good. Using the legs. Hips and glutes. Hips and glutes. That's it, Chris. Good. Good. 2 more. 2 more. Stay low, drive. Good. 1 more at me. 1 more. Come on. Get it up. Good. All right, we're not done. Back and forth. Let's go. Battle. Battle. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Push. Push it over. There you go. Nice. 1 more. Push it down in time. Nice job. Nice job. So that little battle at the end really gets him exhausted up in the upper body. His heart rate's up. We had a good time. See you next time.